Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from TikTok. Withdrawing money from TikTok is simple. Once you know where to find the right options, you can withdraw your earnings from gifts, live rewards, or coins directly into your preferred payment method. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Then, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, tap on Balance. In this section, you'll see your total coins and estimated balance. Tap on Live Rewards to view your earnings from live streams. Here, you'll see the amount available for withdrawal. Tap on the Withdraw option. Then choose your payment method such as PayPal or another option available in your region. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm your details. After that, tap on Confirm or Withdraw again to complete the process. Once done, your money will be transferred to your chosen account. It may take some time to process, depending on your payment method. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.